Today we're going to be talking about the new C6 series of speakers from JL Audio. So this is going to be new to their lineup. On the outside of the package, we're going to notice that JL's got the images of everything that's going to be inside the main components of this. So that's going to be the 1-inch tweeter, the 6.5-inch woofer, and then the passive crossover. So let's take a look at the rest of the packaging. Again, minimalist on the outside, but it's going to be a refined product on the inside. So packaged very well, and then we can go ahead and get inside the box here. So first thing we notice whenever we open it up, again, extremely well packaged. So this is all padded to keep the components from moving around. The helpful warranty guide, installation manual, and this is also going to have your feature specs, but also suggestions on your settings. So first thing you notice right off the top whenever we open it up is going to be the passive crossovers. So the nice thing about this is going to allow you to attenuate the tweeter, and you can mount this back at your amplifier. Some installations you mount it inside the door. We always suggest back at the amplifier itself. So you're going to notice a couple different variations of ways to mount that tweeter, and then we've got the tweeter itself. If you're familiar with the JL lineup, this is going to be just underneath the C7. Main difference being this is going to have the silk dome tweeter, so it's smoother compared to the aluminum tweeter that you're going to get in the C7. So these do come with a grill. A lot of high-end components don't come with a grill because they're going to go back behind a factory panel. So this is nice for a custom installation. Again, that's going to be a metal grill. We'll go take a look underneath that, and then that's going to be where we find the 6.5. So this again has the ring for mounting the grill to it, and then we can take a look at the 6.5 itself. So we'll lift this back out. So again, oversized 6.5. This is going to have the high excursion surround, so we're going to be able to pick up those lower tones that we're lacking otherwise. Vented pole piece, and of course JL's signature logo branding on the back of the speaker itself. So inside the box we also have the JL Audio logo, so that can be used on the component grill or on your factory door panel for your custom installation. We'll go and get this set back down in there, and we'll take a closer look at those crossovers. Those are going to be doing a lot of heavy lifting for this setup from the standpoint of this is basically going to tell your component woofer what it's going to be playing and your tweeter what it's going to be playing. So whenever we remove the smoked cover here, we're going to notice these pins. This will allow you to attenuate the tweeter. So this will give you the option of boosting your tweeter or actually cutting back the tweeter output. So it's nice for the customization at that point. But then you have your inputs, your outputs, and then again, this is optional. So if you have an amplifier that has a DSP, you don't have to use the crossover, but it is a nice option. JL's thought further down the road as far as that's concerned with their VX amplifiers. So they do offer the C6 component woofer and the C6 tweeter on its own, a la carte. So you don't have to buy the full component set if you don't plan on utilizing the crossovers themselves. That's going to be everything that's inside the box for the JL Audio C6. Again, keep an eye out. We're going to go a little bit more in depth later on the C6 component woofers, the tweeters, and the whole C6 family.